How to connect n8n to Jira. In order to do that, head over and click on this plus icon and click on this search bar. Proceed to search right here for Jira. You can find Jira software right there. Click onto this and choose right here the action. You can just choose however action that you want to do. So on my case, I'll just head over and choose right here this add a comment. Once you're done with that, you can see this. Click on this select credential and click on this create new. After that, you can choose to connect using cloud, server or self-hosted, as well as server path or self-hosted. Choose right here how you want it to be. On my case, I'll choose cloud. This will ask for email, API token, the domain that you have on Jira, as well as your allowed HTTP requests. So once you have inputted those, you can proceed to click on save in order to initiate the connection, and it should be able to connect those together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.